of 222. Single vehicle struck a pole. It's off the roadway in the field. Female complaining of chest pains. Pole is leaning. Okay. Squad 502 is responding. Squad 502. QRS 642 is available. QRS 642.
Boss. What? Hey, boss. How you doing? Is Dog Shoes on yet? Yeah.
Six one available.
What's that?
661, okay. Engine 54-3, just making you aware, police department's making notifications for the pole now. Okay. Rescue 50.
Arrival gauge.
Medic 56-5. Engine 54-1, Engine 54-1. County Engine 54-3 is on location. 54-1, come off of Long Rifle Road. 54-2. Engine 54-3. Rescue 50, Engine 54-3, come off a Long Rifle also. Could go through Elizabeth Church and come around that side.
Okay. So we get past Zug to the church. We're gonna make a left into the church and come down that lower driveway. Yeah. Huh?
Engine 502, okay.
Yeah, Brown.
County, Medic 56-1, we're available. Medic 56-1, okay. 502 and Engine 54-1, non-emergency. 502, also take the church parking lot. Engine 502 is okay.
Yes.
Medic 56-1 from county.
Yes.
Driving test here.
Just pull straight down across.
Medic Medic 56-1, Peckway Township, 16 Layman Road, CVA Class 1. Copy, we're responding.
Get out from under this flag.
Yeah.
Medic 56-1.
Just in case.